guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a theme on Asana. So in order to delete them, you need to head over and see that you have a theme right here. So when you expand right here, you can sort it. But as you can see right now, I only have one theme. So if you want to delete your theme, you can head over and click on your workspace. Now in order to delete the theme, you need to head over and then go remove all the members. In order to do that, click on this manage members right here, and then from in there, this will open in here a new tab on your Asana admin console. You can see in here all the members. Now, in order to delete the theme, you need to remove all of them. So just click on these three dots and then click on this remove right here on this particular member. Now, once you have removed the member that you want to remove and the only one that actually is remaining is you, then that will determine that your team will only be comprised of you. And then you can head over and then open in here a new team. So I'll head over and remove this, click on remove. Now I only have myself and I am no longer a team, and I can invite some people or other more people that can join my team. So that's how you delete the team in Asana. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks a lot.